So guys, we've got the little A60 Stars and Stripes today. So let's see if we can give her a little flight for you. She's in slow mode, we've got no wind, so let's put her in 2. Beautiful little heli this. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Right, let's give her a little bimble round, guys. Put her in speed 3, I think. Bit better. Whee! And take off again. Hey, look at that, eh? Oh well, it shows you how nimble they are, doesn't it? And there she is, look. Where's she going? There she goes. Yeah, one of my favourite colour schemes this. I'm actually hoping to get a Bell 206 and do it in the Santini Air to go with my large Airwolf. It's the closest I've got so far. Oh, there we go, caught the grass. Let's stand her back up. Oh, see if she'll take off from there. Nope. Put her back there. And she's back up again. Here we go.